Hi everyone and welcome. In this short demo, I'm going to walk you through the Accounts Payable Analytics dashboard designed for Oracle Fusion customers. This dashboard gives CFOs and finance teams real-time visibility into payables, approvals, suppliers, and cash flow, all inside Power BI with data delivered securely from Oracle Fusion using BI Connector. We'll start on the overview page, and you'll see on the left there's the page navigation, and across the top are the slicers. These two sections will stay consistent on all pages. On the overview page is your high-level snapshot of accounts payable health. Across the top, you'll see the core KPIs, total unpaid invoices, pending approvals, overdue invoices, and total invoice value. On the left, you'll notice a date slicer. You can set the start and end date for the reporting period you want to analyze, and the entire dashboard updates accordingly. Below that, the visuals give you a clear picture of your operational flow. You can see invoice trend in versus out, along with invoices categorized by status and source. This page allows CFOs to instantly understand liabilities, backlog, and where invoices are sitting today. Next is the cash outflow page, one of the most valuable pages for treasury and short-term planning. Here you'll see amount due by month, which helps you understand how payables will impact cash across the coming periods. You'll also see prior year paid amount, which provides important context for seasonal or cyclical spending. To the right, there's a breakdown of your largest invoices, as well as cash outflow by supplier. With these visuals, CFOs can anticipate cash requirements, evaluate supplier concentration, and understand which departments or vendors are driving short-term liquidity needs. Instead of pulling multiple OTBI reports, you have everything consolidated and automated right here. Moving to the aging analysis page. This is where you can track overdue invoices and payment slowdowns. You'll see average aging by department or approver, which makes it easy to pinpoint where delays are occurring. You also have a clear aging bucket breakdown. And at the bottom, a detailed invoice level table that supports drill through into the individual records. This page helps you keep payments moving efficiently, identifies processing bottlenecks, and reduces aging risks. The Suppliers Insights page gives you a deeper look at vendor performance and concentration. At the top, you'll see your top 10 suppliers by spend or invoice count. There's also a useful supplier category breakdown, which highlights the mix between goods, services, contractors, and more. And one of the most important visuals here is days payable outstanding, giving you a fast measure of how your payment strategy is performing. This page helps teams optimize payment terms, monitor supplier dependence, and make strategic procurement decisions. Next is the workflow efficiency page, which shows where approvals may be slowing down. You'll see pending approvals by month, average approval duration by department, and an approval duration trend over time. These visuals make it easy to identify slow stages, overloaded approvers, or departments that need additional support or process adjustment. This leads to faster cycle time and clearer accountability within AP workflows. The last page I'll highlight is the Invoice Details drill-through page. When you're on any page, selecting an invoice, supplier, or category activates a View Invoice Details button. Clicking it brings you here, where you can see the complete invoice record, dates, amounts, approval data, and more. This table can also be exported to Excel using this export data. At the top of the page is a back button that returns you directly to the page you came from. This makes it easy to move smoothly between high-level insights and detailed transaction level data. Everything will cross-filter on each page. For example, clicking on ERS will filter all visuals to show that specific invoice source. I will also bring up the View Invoice Details button. All of this is possible because of BI Connector. Power BI can't natively connect to Oracle Fusion Cloud, so BI Connector acts as a secure bridge, connecting Power BI to OTBI and BIP data models with automated refresh, governed access, and optimized performance. There's no custom integration required. Thanks for watching this quick demo.